In July 2025, a clinical report revealed a breakthrough in male vitality, backed by science. Researchers uncovered a natural synergy of amino acids and adaptogens that may help men over 40 restore stamina, confidence, and performance, without synthetic hormones or risky medications. At the center of this discovery is a group of compounds that work together to support blood flow, hormone balance, and neurochemical function. L-arginine, for example, is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, especially in areas critical to male performance. L-dopa, a dopamine precursor, supports mood, motivation, and sexual desire. GABA helps regulate hormonal balance and reduce anxiety, while L-tyrosine enhances focus and resilience under stress. One of the most intriguing ingredients is Moomiyo, a rare adaptogen used for centuries in Siberia to boost endurance and recovery. Combined with gymnema, which supports metabolic health, this formula represents a new frontier in what scientists are calling bioactivation. Bioactivation is the process of reawakening the body's natural systems, not by forcing change, but by supporting the pathways that already exist. According to the 2025 clinical report, this approach may help men experience more powerful, longer-lasting performance, improved energy, and a renewed sense of confidence. Thousands of men have already reported feeling stronger, more focused, and more in tune with their bodies, without relying on pumps, prescriptions, or invasive procedures. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about science. Backed by Science 2025, this discovery is changing the way we think about male vitality. And it's only the beginning. To explore the full report and see how this natural synergy is transforming lives, click the link in the description.